Hello, Creative Crafty Lovely, and welcome to my channel. I am so happy that you are here, whether you are a new subscriber or you are a returning subscriber. I got this package from Marianne, and I wanted to open it up with you. I already went ahead and cut this, but I still have to cut over here. So I'm excited to see what is in here. I think this is for the, we were involved in a private swap that was called the Shadow Box, and I will have the link to what I sent her down in the description below, but I think that's what this is. So I'll go ahead and open this up together. And oh wow, look at this. So she sent this right here, and this is a Heidi Swap banner kit. So wow, and this is really big. Look at that. So there are 9 pieces here. And then, this would be really cool to do like a flip banner type of thing. So thank you so much for this, Marianne, if you're watching. And she also included some Nuvo, let's see, this is some glitter, and it's in gold. So very beautiful, and it's like that really tiny glitter. And she also included this cute little notebook here, and this is something that could definitely go into your purse, and it's easy wipe off. And I think that you might be able to put more pages in here. So if I wanted to, I could probably put some regular copy paper. That way I can have something to draw with on here. And she also included this little box right here, and I did see her make this on her channel, and this is Paige Evans. I love Paige Evans and all the colors that she uses. I like how she mixes darks with like pastels and sometimes bright colors. And then right here it says fill your life with adventure, not things. And then right here is a little like a fruit stand, very cute. And then like a storefront. And then right here is 2 chairs for friends that are going to sit down and have some coffee. There are some rhinestones right there, and let's open it up and see what's in here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my goodness. So there's these right here from the collection, and these are just some tags, and these will be perfect for all kinds of different things. Oh, this is so cool. And I think this is a digital kit. I'm not sure, I'll have to ask her. But so there's these tags right here. Here are some wax seals that were in the box, and I just really love the colors, and I also love, just the different seals there are. So there's this one right here that's a flower, and these right two are the same kind of flower, and then here's a tree, and then here's like a leaf, and then here's another tree, and then this one says happy birthday. And here is a close-up of the rest of the box. So that right here, there are some flowers, and here are some rolled flowers. These are layered, and then she included some candy. And I will link her tutorial down in the description below on how she made this. And this is a really cute box, and I just love how it has all the different compartments. So here is the shadow box that she created, and we had been in talks of what I was looking for, and I had told her that I wanted something that I can have on display year round, not just for the holidays. And so this is what she made. She did say she wanted to try something different that was not a square, so this is definitely not a square, and I just love how she made the initial. And right here she has this really beautifully layered flower. And then right here, she has my name, and this is like in a rose gold, so very pretty, or rose metallic, very, very pretty paper. And then right here, it has the year. So that is what it looks like. Marianne, if you're watching, thank you so much. I really do appreciate all of this. I just love this aid, and I'm so happy that I'll be able to display that year round. If you are not familiar with who Marianne is, I will go ahead and leave her link to her tutorial for this box down in the description below. That way you can go follow her and show her some crafty love. Thank you so much for watching, and I do hope that you are having a wonderful day. Bye.